LIFW stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my MSP Recovery stock analysis and price prediction. So watch this 1 minute video till the end. Like this thing is definitely like super interesting today because it's up like 36%. So that's pretty hype today. Previously with LIFW, like 100% transparency, I was bearish, and that delivered to the lows like crazy. This is the video link proof. I'm going to share it right now for the video and how it looked like before anything was made. Yeah, like what my video looked like in my directional bias. You see, I was bearish, and this video was made 6 months ago, half a year ago. 27th of September. Where was 27th of September? This was 27th of September. You can look at the vertical line. Anything on the right is just the price doing its thing, and it delivered lower. It at least inside the gap and also below the lows. After that, we went up like crazy, and then we went down like crazy. So this thing is all over the place. And as I said in the previous video, like the only way that I'm really going to be bullish on LIFW is if the price starts breaking above highs here, like above 141. So that's the only approach that I would have, honestly, because most of the times LIFW just goes down like this. This is my directional bias, but I'm not really taking a short here because my rules are not met. So definitely going to keep you updated. This is for entertainment purposes only, and I'll see you in the next video. I am still bearish as long as we stay below that line.